Hey guys, we just got the July Meathook and QDR. We're doing a reverse Meathook in the rings. We're just using one ring this month, and then we're going to start with both hands on the ring. So you need to adjust the ring height, so if you have to bend the knees because the hamstrings are tight, to get the angle to be able to hold on to it with both. And then you're just getting a stretch there, so like a back lever stretch. Just work the range, it feels good. You definitely don't want to push this. You've got an underhand grip on the rings, and then you're going to turn from there and release one hand and stretch. So the ring height will be determined by your flexibility, and you're just conditioning that position, trying to get as much of the forearm on to the back as possible, and then getting that nice hang as you're coming over. Just slowly conditioning that. It is a much heavier Meathook than the usual one through the front, and you're just trying to get that contact with the back, and then gradually load up that arm and condition those tissues to be in that position. It's not one you want to rush. Then we've got the QDR, but we're going to use both arms just on the floor. Ideally, have your hands this way. If you find that's a bit tough for your wrist to get into that position, then you can have the hands like that. I like this one, but as you get into it, it's actually easier because you're going to lean further over the front, so it's not that much flexibility. But you can fall forward because you don't have the fingers there, like in a planche. So from here, I'm going to bend the elbows. The first step is just to get used to that pressure in the belly. So you just have the knees down and breathing there, getting that control, and come to the toes. Then you want to get far enough forward. Get that hold. It's pretty heavy through the traps and the shoulders to stabilize. Obviously it's easier than a full planche because the elbows are into the core, but you've got to stabilize through there. And you're just trying to work out your level and get that sense of awareness of it. Doing 30 seconds on the reverse Meathook. Then you go into a 30-second breathing rest in between, so you can reset that rib cage. They're all pretty heavy on the rib cage. This particular workout, Meathook QDR, all the variations are quite hard. So you really got to take your time, get the shoulders in the right position, use that core for the QDR, use that core for the Meathook, and just one on, 30-second rest, one off, 1 on, 1 off, 1 on, 1 off, 4 rounds. 8 minutes, pretty intense, but yeah, stay focused, work at the progression that's right for you, don't fake it, it's only going to bite back, so you just want to take the time, build up that tissue tolerance and get a good result. Enjoy guys.